Hey everyone, Founder's Daughter here. We're making a special recipe called Uovo Al Purgatorio by Scott Conant. Happy Thursday, Founder's Daughter here. On today's segment, we're doing a real special recipe. Unfortunately, last Saturday, I was unable to be with Scott Conant as our special guest at Livonia. My son graduated from Michigan State on Saturday, so it was very important for me to be there with him, of course. But the recipe that he has in his new cookbook is a recipe that takes me back to my childhood, and we used to call it Egg St. Anthony. And Egg St. Anthony was a recipe that my dad made, and that's what we called it. So I'm going to show you his recipe, and a little bit of my dad's flair to it, okay? So let's get started. We're going to start with 2 jars of the Martone Street Mediterranean, which is so good. And when I tell you this is easy, this is easy. We're going to do 2 jars. We're going to get that nice and hot. We're going to add a little bit of the Calabrian chili pepper. And you have to be very careful with this because it's very hot. When it says extra hot, they mean it. So we're just put maybe half of a tablespoon, and that should be plenty. If you like the heat, so now that we have this bubbling up here, you need it to be nice and hot because the surprise guest inside of this dish is eggs. And my father used to make this when I was a little kid, and with the eggs in it, and we didn't like it very much. But as we grow up and our palates change, right, we start to like these things from our childhood that we didn't like. So this one was so nostalgic for me because we ate it all the time. It was always a great Sunday dish in the wintertime. You're just gonna pop those in there. His recipe calls for 12 eggs. I don't think I'm gonna use 12 eggs unless you have a lot of people eating it. But now we just let this sit and let those eggs kind of cook over. We add our salt and our pepper. And of course, on top, a little Parmesan Reggiano. We just let that all cook together. So we're just going to put a lid on it and let these eggs kind of poach inside the tomato sauce, and then we're going to taste it. So when I say easy, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 ingredients in here. It's going to take you 25 minutes, and my goal is always to give you great fast recipes in 25 minutes. Well, in this case, Scott's recipe. Okay, here we go. This is done. You know it's done according to what you want your eggs to look like. You want them poached a little more, you want them poached a little less. I like them when we cut it, the yolk flows out. So let's check this baby out. Oh, it's so fresh and it smells amazing with the eggs. And of course, we're going to finish it with a little Parmesan Reggiano. Look at that. We're going to finish it with a little bit of basil, oil on the top. I like that. We're going to take our beautiful bread. And remember, Italian cooking isn't hard. I make it look easy because it is. We had 5 ingredients, real quick. We threw it together. And then if you have some beautiful bread at home, put a little bit of olive oil on it and grill it in that pan so you can dunk it right into that beautiful egg and tomato mixture. Now let's try it. And remember, go to the ninosalvaggios.com, follow us, see everything that's new. We have some amazing, unique new items that are on our website. Check those out too. And of course, all of our weekly specials and so much more. And of course, the Founder's Daughters tab is on there. So we're going to put this beautiful egg and tomato on top of this bread. Oh my God, it's so good. Let's go. It doesn't disappoint. Now all you have to do is make it.